So we ended up with some leftover pasta dough. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna turn it into some empanadas for snacks later. We also have some leftover ground lamb and cheese, which we're gonna be filling with it. Let's start. We're gonna start by pressing out our circles. I use the back side. Put it in the center. Fill it. Brush the edges with some water mixed with tapioca. This is kind of like our egg wash. Tapioca starch water is super sticky. Oh, we might have overfilled. You'll get the hang of this. As long as there's no breakage. Ta-da! Now 10 cups. All of them prepped and crimped and ready to go. We're going to oil them with some olive oil before we throw them in the oven.